How to create a proxy in Premiere Pro. Today I am going to show you how you can create a proxy in Premiere Pro by following these steps. Open the Premiere Pro. Select the footage you want to create the proxy for. Right-click on it. Select Proxy. Click on Create Proxy. Now screen will pop up in front of you, where you can select your format preset or destination. You can select any of them. I am choosing the medium resolution. Select the format of your choice. I always select Save My Proxy next the original media. You can choose yourself. Press OK, and Media Encoder will open up. Media Encoder usually automatically start creating the proxy. But if it does not work, you have to do is go up to the top right and press the play button. Once done, go back to Premiere Pro and toggle the proxies button. If you do not see it, click the plus button and add it when this button is blue. You are using proxies and you are good to go. Make sure your proxies did not affect the quality of export. That is how you can create a proxy in Premiere Pro. That is all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.